Actually had a really rough year this last year. Ended up losing my job, and then my husband, he ended up getting laid off. And we went from being okay and having a little bit of money saved up, not a lot, but enough, you know, and we had more than enough to actually meet our needs at that time, to suddenly having nothing coming in. It was just one thing after another, and kind of my whole life fell apart. Ended up homeless over the summer. All the kids were living with my parents. It's very rough when you can't provide for your children. We ended up at the Salvation Army one day for food, and they asked us if it was something we'd be interested in, and I was just like, oh God, yes, thank you. Anything that would at least give me a solid number to start looking for work. Very isolating, you know, especially, you know, switching to prepaid cell phone, which, you know, sometimes is on, sometimes isn't. There's no guarantee anybody can get a hold of you. It makes it very difficult. $15 isn't much to come up with for a phone card, but at the same time, that only lasts a week, and sometimes that $15 is needed elsewhere. I have a thyroid condition, which left untreated could end up being fatal. I was supposed to come back for a follow-up visit and wasn't able to make my appointment, and because of the phone problems, they weren't able to get a hold of me. The voicemail number was actually what they were able to use to communicate with me to get me into my doctor's appointments. It helped me get to where I needed to be. I mean, yeah, I was able to leave it. I listed it on my resume and on job applications. In order to help somebody help themselves, they have to be able to communicate. You know, I've gone from being literally homeless on the streets with nothing to working. I mean, I'm now in a home, I'm working, I have transportation, my health is getting on track, I'm in school, I'm getting, you know, savings built up so that the kids can come out of my mom's and back to me. It's all the difference in the world, and just the communication aspect, and that's what turned it around.